We are told to simplify this expression, and to do that we need to start by factoring. So let's begin by factoring this numerator of the first term, m to the third minus 8. This here is a special scenario called the difference of cubes, and this works for difference of cubes and also for sum of cubes. So notice we have two things being cubed. We have the m being cubed, and then we have a 2 being cubed to get the 8. The first thing being cubed we will call a. The second term, or second part being cubed, we call b. So m would be a. 2, since it's 2 cubed, 2 would be our b. So how we set this up would be, since you're dealing with subtraction, it's going to be a minus b. So m minus 2, we said m was a, and then 2 was our b. So m minus 2 times parentheses, it's going to be a squared plus, since you're dealing with minus, this will be a plus sign. If this were a plus, this would be minus. Plus a times b plus b squared. So a we said was m, so a squared would give you m squared, plus a times b would give you 2 times m, plus b squared, b we said was 2, so 2 squared would give you 4. So this is how you'd factor. So we have our numerator. The denominator, m squared minus 4, is a difference of squares. So we get m minus 2 times m plus 2. Okay, for the middle term here, we can pull a 2 out of the numerator. We get 2 and then m minus 2 left over. Well, the m minus 2's will cancel. I'm left with just a 2, or 2 over 1. And then over here, okay, there's nothing we can really cancel out at this point, so we're just going to leave this to be the same. And notice for this first term over here, the m minus 2's will cancel once I factor, so I'll cross those off. So we kind of did a combination of steps here, but I need to find a common denominator to add this with this along with this. So my denominator is going to be m plus 2. Okay, so this will not change, this first term, m squared plus 2m plus 4. This will not change. Neither will the last term, because we already have the denominator of m plus 2. But this can distribute, we get 4m plus 12 if we wanted. So we write that here. And then the 2 over 1 we just need to convert into something over m plus 2. So multiply the top and the bottom by m plus 2. We're going to get 2 times m plus 2, which will give you 2m plus 4 for the top here. So we put this all in one fraction. We get m squared plus 2m plus 4 plus what we just changed to be 2m plus 4 minus, and then 4m minus 12. So combined like terms, you get m squared minus 4 over m plus 2. Difference of squares, we're going to get m minus 2 times m plus 2 over m plus 2, which will cancel, and I'm left with just an m minus 2.